Plastic pollution is one of the biggest threats to Earth. Every person, every country, every government, every big organization knows that. But why don't we do anything? If plastic is so harmful for Earth, for nature, for animals, and even for humans, then why we can't completely give up on plastic? Now, let's go ahead and know something about plastic. Plastic. Plastic is a long chain of polymers, which is a product of petroleum. Now, what is petroleum? In simple, petroleum is the crude oil that is extracted from the earth, from which we get fuels like diesel, petrol, kerosene, etc. After the extraction of crude oil, it is sent for distillation, where it is heated at different temperature to get different products. After the distillation of petroleum, we get naphtha, which is used for making plastic. Naphtha is a very complex hydrocarbon, which is formed of long chain of carbons and hydrogen. Now, naphtha is sent to naphtha cracking center, where it is converted from complex to simplest form. For this, naphtha has to undergo various processes like thermal cracking, quenching, compression, refining, etc. Finally, from naphtha cracking, we obtain different types of gases like ethylene, propylene, betadine, petroleum ether, etc. The kind of plastic we want. Accordingly, the reactions are done with different substances to obtain it. After that, the gas is sent in a chamber where the molecule of gases, also called monomers, are combined to form long chains called polymers, and this process is called polymerization. With the help of polymerization, different kinds of polymers are formed using different types of gases which are called plastic, like polythene, polycarbonate, etc. Just now you learned about what is plastic, and now we will give you 7 reasons why plastic is very harmful for us.
Plastic does not degrade into organic materials naturally. Instead, it remains on the earth for hundreds of thousands of years. We use plastic items like straws and covers for hardly few minutes before we throw them away, but every piece of plastic thrown away still exists in this world and continues to cause problems every day. Though plastic is recyclable, that doesn't solve its problems. The process of recycling is pretty complicated. There are several different varieties of plastic and they all have different processes for recycling. Many products have a combination of plastics and other materials in them that makes it very difficult for recycling. Also, plastic that is contaminated with food or other particles cannot be recycled. Due to these complications, only a very small percentage is recycled in the world. Materials like glass and aluminum too are not biodegradable like plastic, but they aren't considered as harmful. The reason for this is they can be recycled over and over again without any loss in quality. Sadly, this is not the case for plastic. Even when plastic is recycled, its quality degrades each time. It can only be recycled 2 to 3 times before it reaches a point where it can no longer be used and is thrown away. Animals often come in contact with plastic. They ingest or get caught in them, causing them to suffer and die. Several innocent animals are being killed like this every single day. Not only is plastic affecting plants and animals, it is affecting us too. Though plastic does not biodegrade, it degrades into smaller and smaller pieces of plastic to form microplastics. These microplastics are found in air and water, and they also easily enter the food chain. A recent study commissioned by WWF and carried out by University of Newcastle revealed that an average person might be consuming around 5 grams of plastic per week, which is equal to eating a credit card. Plastic can't be burnt away because it releases harmful and toxic gases that cause severe problems to the environment and to human health. Plastic is a problem even before it is used. It is derived from fossil fuels, a non-renewable resource, and the process itself is not sustainable. The extracting and processing of fossil fuels from the earth causes air and water pollution, and it is a major contributor to climate change.
Just now we have learned that plastic is very dangerous. चलिए आपको और थोड़ा डराया जाए. Let us know some fact on plastic. We produce approx 400 million tons of plastic every year, more than 1 million ton every day, 50% of which is for single-use purpose, approx 10% is only recycled. More than 8 million tons of plastic is dumped into our oceans every year. Plastic making companies earn in billions without caring for nature. Today, from the deepest of the ocean to the highest peak of the mountains, we can find plastic. Isn't it amazing? If humans don't stop the use of plastic till 2050, there would be more plastics in ocean than that of fishes in weight. The place which we have pointed out in the very beginning of this video, can you recall the name? It is India's largest dumping ground with the area of 132 hectares, that is equal to the area of 66 Eden Garden Stadium combined together. The dump here arises up to the height of 114 feet high, which are mainly consist of plastic. There are 59 such dumping grounds in India. Just imagine the amount of plastic waste produced. As our motto is, where everyone talks about problem, we will find the solution. Today we will suggest 3 simple ways to reduce the plastic on individual level, because a single person can change the world. So now let's start with the first solution. Number 1, use of cloth bag. We all must be having old cloth bag to our home. Ask your mother to turn them into a beautiful clothes bag. If in case your mother don't know how to make it, there are clothes bag available at the market. Use them everywhere you go, to the general store or the vegetable stall or to the shopping malls. Simply everywhere. Whenever someone gives you a plastic carry bag, reply them with a smile. I'm having my bag, believe it or not. Others will be influenced. If you feel awkward using clothes bag in public with plastic bag, just take a marker and write on it, I'm saving my mother. Let's go to our second solution. Stop using plastic containers. We all use plastic containers, maybe big like a water tank or small like a bottle, to store drinkable water. Just now we knew about some microplastic. This container degrades gradually in microscopic form and pollute our drinking water, which is very harmful. Earlier, before plastic containers, we used mudcars to store water. We all know how beneficial is the water of mudcars. Maybe it may be of mud or copper. Everyone's mother stores spices in plastic containers. Replace them with a mud or metal container, since they are very harmful. Here we comes with the last but not the least solution. Today every product comes wrapped in plastic. I'm not saying that don't use those products, but the plastic waste produced by them, don't throw them anywhere. Try to store it somewhere, and when it becomes a handsome amount, just take them to scrap dealers. He will pay you for the recyclable plastic and which are not recyclable. Throw them out in a proper place so that they reach a dumping yard, not in the drains and rivers. And please don't throw them anywhere on the land too. So guys, it's a humble request to each and everyone to not use plastic until and unless it is very necessary. And if you are using, try to avoid polluting land and water.
If you liked our video, share it with your friends, family and everyone. And yes, do not forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Links are provided in the description box.